Hey, welcome back to Mad Investor. So as you know, I like to cover always the launchpads of Binance because they're always looking at some innovative projects. And I've covered already previously few launch pools in the launchpads and some of the subscription based. And today I'll cover another one called Beta Finance. By the way, to find those launchpads, you need to go to the squares on the top, then go to the launchpad. And on that, you'll see the current launchpad, which is currently active, and also all the previous launch pools. If you want to a bit more details, you can press View More. And here you can learn more about all the launchpads. When I actually click on Beta Finance, I can learn a bit more about the current promotion, but I'll actually press View Detailed Rules because I want to show you how does it exactly work, because this is a subscription format based launchpad. So what happens? Binance will record your BNB balance for 8 days from the 30th of September until the 8th of October. And the final BNB holding amount for each user will be determined as the average of 8 days and using the daily average BNB balance calculation previously announced on the previous website. So based on that balance, what happens? So first 8 days, you can actually commit, it's actually determining maximum you can commit of BNB. And then subscription will open at the 8th of October for all eligible users for 4-hour periods. So you'll have 4 hours to take action. And user may also sign a token purchase agreement at the same time prior to committing their BNB. And please note that your BNB will be locked, okay? So you will be able to redeem it or use them that time. And what happens? 4 hours later, subscription closes and token allocation calculation begins. Your final token calculation will be based on the corresponding BNB, which will be deducted from your BNB amount. So what you're doing, you're actually buying with your BNB that token based on your daily average. So this is not staking, this is a subscription-based format purchase. And I hope that for everyone who is looking at some innovation project, this might be a big jump. I saw previously few subscription-based formats which they went really good on the Binance Launchpad, so you can actually participate in an easy way. And well, what's that Beta Finance about? So let's actually talk about the project itself. You can learn about the project by clicking on the website and information. And Beta Finance, it's actually offer lending, borrowing, short selling. So it's aiming to often offset crypto volatility and bring market stability. And you can lend, borrow, or actually short selling. So it's offering a lot of cool features because they have a built and optimized for short selling. When you will go in the documentation of Beta Finance, you'll actually see that they're for lenders, borrowers, traders, and liquidators. So obviously Beta Finance, we can see they want to enable DeFi users to have the ability to act as an opposing force to price volatility. And their project mission is to offset the volatility in DeFi today by developing a critical infrastructure and user tooling to facilitate market efficiency. And they stand by the DeFi ethos of open finance for all and seek to redefine finance by providing a foundational block in DeFi that futures projects they build upon. So as we can see, this is something pretty strong when you look at the project. We saw the previous project which Binance chose was based on gaming. Now we're looking actually at finance and the option of DeFi. So I see that Binance is looking into different niches, I would say. And the launch hard cap will be $3 million. And hard cap per users will be $20,000, which is 333 million of Beta. Total token supply, it's a 1 billion, and total tokens allocated to Binance Launchpad, it's 50 million of Beta, which is a 5% of the total token supply. And the public sale of the token price, 1 Beta, will be 0.06 USD, and price and BNB will be determined per subscription. So as you can see, this is something which, I think everyone has a chance to participate in, especially that Binance does it for, a lot of kind of occasions with their innovation zone. So if you want to participate, what do you need to do? You need to go to the Launchpad. When you're in the Launchpad, so as I mentioned to you, go to those squares, Launchpad, and after when you click that, you need to choose the Launchpad you're interested in. And then what happens is you don't actually need to activate anything here. So what we'll do, you just need to have some money in BNB, which will create a daily average for you over the 8 days periods. So you don't have to activate it right here or anything like that. Remember, the 8th of October, you'll just have to buy and commit those BNB into beta if you're interested in it. That's it. By the way, if you don't have a Binance account and you're just starting, you can use the link in the description of this video to grab extra perks. And for everyone who already has Binance accounts, I hope that you enjoy that the Launchpad. As you know, I cover all the Launchpads and all the launch pools which are arriving in Binance. Thanks a lot, and well, see you in the next video. Take care.